The total government revenue in 2016 is projected at approximately 10.4 billion kina. This comprises of 9.9 billion kina total tax revenue and 0.6 billion kina non-tax revenue. According to Treasurer Patrick Pruich, mining and petroleum revenues should begin flowing into the Sovereign Wealth Fund by 2016, minus the liquefied natural gas tax revenue collection. The 2016 budget strategy paper states that total expenditure and net lending in 2016 is projected at 13.4 billion kina, which is 2.8 billion kina less than the 2015 budget figure of 16.2 billion kina. Jahab Akia has more.
With the current economic situation in the country as well as the drop in commodity prices on the global market, government revenue is likely to fall short in the coming financial year. The projected figures in the budget strategy paper show that the 2016 national budget is likely to be less than that of 2015. Over the last 12 to 18 months, there has been ongoing concerns that the domestic market is no longer able to finance large budget deficits because of investment limits being reached by major investors. Treasury says in order to mitigate this risk and free up funds in the domestic market, a sovereign bond will be issued, with a significant proportion of the proceeds used to buy back securities with the objective of repositioning the government's debt portfolio in accordance with its prudent guidelines. And in the financial sector of the 2016 budget, Mr. Pruitt says the government is projecting a budget deficit of 1.7 billion kina, which is lower than both the 2014 outcome of 3 billion kina and the revised 2015 deficit estimate of 2.3 billion kina. He said the continued high budget deficits in recent years has also led to a sharp increase in the debt level, representing an increase of 26%. The financing of a reduced deficit budget in 2016 will ease the pressure on the domestic market. Mining and petroleum revenue should start to flow into the Sovereign Wealth Fund in 2016, but Treasury has highlighted that the larger tax revenue collection from the PNG LNG projects are not expected until 2020. The government will clearly articulate the necessary and credible pathways to return to a balanced budget in the release of the 2016 budget papers. The 2016 budget will maintain the government's key priority expenditures such as free health, education and road infrastructure. Jahab Akia, NBC National News, Port Moresby.